about that. Maybe the last few people, okay, read to me the third verse. Third verse of Genesis, first chapter. Okay, now see very carefully. What is his first creation of the creation week? Light. Please don't misunderstand. We are going to relate to this. Don't misunderstand that this earth is created on the first day and all that. No. What is the first day creation?
The light.
Light of the first week of creation. On what God wanted to see actually what is there, what He created many years ago. In what? Formless, no shape, no structure, nothing was there. And so God wanted to see very clearly. What did He create? Light. What was this light? We are learning Bible, okay, from the nature now. What was this light? Come on, most of you all are graduating class. God created light in the first day. What was that light?
Sir, I have a question on that too, because even in the
I'm
fourth
not
day,
here to answer a question, I'm asking you a question.
even the fourth day, God created the stars and the moons and the sun. And
Yeah, you have to answer.
so what
You
was
have
that
to answer.
light?
God created sun, moon, star on fourth day. What was this light? That's the same question I'm asking you. What was?
Thank you, Aisha. You're so good.
This is not the sun. This is not the star. This is not the moon. What was this light? What does Jesus say? What does Jesus say? I am the light of the. And Bible tells us who was hovering.
The Spirit of the Lord.
Who decided to create this earth? The Bible tells us. We're going to read it. Who decided to create this earth? Who made this earth? Without Him, this earth could not have been made. Who is that?
Jesus.
Jesus. Now mix all these three. Who shined upon this earth? Lord Himself. That's the light. Do you follow? It is not the sun, moon, star. It is Lord from His grace, from His throne, the light has been given. And it illuminated the entire world. Then from His portion of His own glory made what? All the creation. We're going to come later on. Are you clear with this now? Before we get into the nature talk. There are three partitions as we said. We are going to come, okay? Maybe this central part. Read to me the fourth verse. Yes. Okay? That was the first day. Read the next sentence. I'm not worried about the days. But you can't do that. Okay, now we are coming here, okay? As we said, there are divisions. God separated what? Waters from water. Now, which are those two waters?
The firmament and the
Okay,
earth.
I'm telling you from the Bible. God wanted to separate water from waters. Which are those waters?
The heaven and the earth.
Let us put waters and waters. Where do you find two different waters?
In the sky and the land.
One is ocean and the sea. One is in the atmosphere. Don't forget that. All this water that you see here has to come back as a cloud or atmosphere, and that again come back where? When the earth was destroyed in the time of Noah, God again revealed the same way. The water came out from where? Underneath and from the top. Don't forget that. The flood was not only water from the earth, it was water from both the sides. So God made what? Water on the land and water above the land. That is your moisture, clouds, and all that. These are two firmaments. So as we said that the division. Okay? Now, in this side, this is the next one. This is the single division.
Nikita, so daddy is preaching very good.
Okay, so one was sky and one was ocean. So we are near the ocean and we are also near the sky. Okay, now second separation. From which water did the land come? They are seated on the land, right? And next is the ocean. Now, from which water did this separation take place? The water which was on the land, right? God asked, how did it happen? Can you imagine how did it happen? Dr. Sanjani is here. One way of making the land come out from water, maybe which way? One is like a volcano. Okay? This is a volcano that is erupted, can bring down mud up from the water and it will be a land. Next way, we had a tsunami once, right? What is the cause of a tsunami?
The stones have to throw in the water and the water will come up.
Some portion of the earth has moved from its original place and pushed it up one corner. Okay? That is how God made firmament of water and land. That means He pushed out land or the solid material one side and made a depression another side so the water will become what? Sea and other side will become
Apeksha.
what? Is there any other way that could become? Where do you find this explanation? Theologian students, okay? Where do you find this explanation in the Bible? Where do you find explanation from this? It is in the Bible that the land has come up from the water. What all you see here are what? Mountains. How did it come up there? But how did it come up there? Why not? Why not the mountain should be all over mountains? Why the mountains here and mountains here and here and there? God gave an explanation. The water blasted under the earth and it pushed out what? Huge chunks of portion of the earth and that becomes what? Small pieces. We are talking about like Mount